Ricky, darling.
It looks funny, but it works. He likes his back rubbed. No, little baby butt. Yeah.
And he was literally just like screaming before this.
He gets overwhelmed. He gets overstimulated and he has to have meltdowns when he comes home.
You're trying to frog your way up here.
Hey, Ivan. What are you doing? He's like, why is everybody paying attention? I need some attention.
You just got done mauling Ma.
Kind of. That's his way of getting attention.